the life at every level of digital marketing. Pixel started at level 0. Level 0 looks like this: skills, ideas, 0 pages live. He woke up every day at 8:47 a.m. Not because he had to be anywhere. Because 8:47 felt like the right amount of irresponsible. He had one idea in particular. A simple digital product he could sell online. Something that could make money while he slept. But every time he sat down to build it, he found a reason to stop. I don't know design. I don't know how to build a site. I should eat first. And just like that, another day was gone. He wasn't lazy. He was waiting. Spoiler: the right moment doesn't show up. You make it. Most people quit at level 0. They say, next week. 3 months later, nothing changed. Still scrolling. Still at 0. Still telling themselves they'll start when they feel ready. Pixel almost did the same. Then one night, at 10 p.m., he saw a post. Not a guru. Not a millionaire. Just a regular person saying they made their first $100 online. With a simple product. A free tool. One weekend. That hit different. Not inspiration. Embarrassment. Because he'd been sitting on his idea for 3 months. 3 months of soon. 3 months of watching other people move while he stayed still. He closed the app, opened the laptop, and said it out loud to an empty room. Tonight. Let's go. That was level 1. Level 1, design. First problem. He needed a cover for the product. Something that looked real. Something that looked like he knew what he was doing. Even if he didn't. He opened Canva. Free account. No card. No degree required. He typed what he needed. Templates showed up instantly. Clean. Professional. He picked one. Changed the colors. Swapped the font. Added the product name. 15 minutes later, he had a cover that looked better than anything he thought he could make. It cost him time. Nothing else. That's when it clicked. The tools were never the problem. Level 2, the page. Design done. Next problem. A place to sell it. A real page. On the internet. With a button that says, buy. He'd heard it was complicated. That you needed code. A developer. Weeks. All wrong. He opened http://system.io. Free plan. No card. Again. Account took 2 minutes. He went to the funnel builder. Picked a template. Then he filled it in. Product name. Short description. The cover from Canva. A price. A button. Done. No code. No agency. No 2 a.m. tutorial spiral. Just a template, his words, and an image he made an hour ago. Halfway through, he stopped, looked at the screen, and thought, this is actually happening. Not someday. Tonight. An idea that spent 3 months in his head was finally becoming real. Level 3, publish. It was almost midnight. Page done. Product ready. One thing left. Publish. He hovered over the button longer than he should have. Because publishing for the first time isn't about the work. It's about being seen. It's putting something out and knowing anyone could find it. Look at it. Judge it. Say, he has no idea what he's doing. And honestly, maybe not. But he clicked anyway. Page published. No confetti. No notification. No instant sale. Just a URL. And silence. But he was smiling. Because for the first time in 3 months, the idea wasn't in his head. It was in the world. And that feeling is something you can't explain. You have to feel it. Level 4, the morning after. Next morning, he checked. No sales yet. That's normal. But his day started different. No scrolling. No wasted hour. He opened the laptop and asked, "What's next?" Because now he knew something he didn't know 3 months ago. The tools exist. Canva. http://system.io. Free. Right now. The templates exist. The tutorials exist. The free plans exist. None of that was ever the problem. The problem was waiting to feel ready. So here's the truth. You will never feel ready. Ready doesn't show up before you start. Ready shows up after you start and realize you're figuring it out anyway. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need a big budget. You need one evening, one idea, and the decision to move. That's all Pixel needed. That's probably all you need too. If you want to see exactly how he built that page, the Canva design, step by step, the http://system.io funnel, from scratch. That's what this channel is for. Every week, Pixel shows you how to build something real, fast, free, without overthinking it. Subscribe. The next video drops soon. If he can do it, you can too. See you next time.